Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. The first one what we should do is to check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDCORE application, then tap on your device here, and at the bottom we have update firmware. You need to tap on it also, and I check for update. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you will have a button right here in this menu, download and install. So just tap on it and wait until this update is finished. Next one, if it didn't help you, also I can recommend it to place your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, and after 15 seconds you just open it and check, maybe it fixes your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!